How Hugo Calderano reached the final of WTTC Finals is Doha 2025 by Coach EmRatThich. This is why we love table tennis. What a match. What a comeback. What a warrior. Hugo Calderano, the thrill from Brazil, just played the most intense match of his life and one of the greatest matches in modern table tennis history. In the semifinal of the ITTF World Table Tennis Championships Finals 2025 in Doha, Hugo Calderano defeated Zhang Jike in a 7-set thriller. 15, 13, 11, 7, 8, 11, 11, 8, 3, 11, 7, 11, 11, 9. This was not just a win, it was a mental and emotional roller coaster. From the brink of collapse, Hugo came back not once but twice. From 0, 3 to 3, 3, and then in the final set from 0, 3 to 10, 3, then 10, 9. That's the beauty of table tennis. Every point is a battle, every rally is a story. In the first game, Hugo was down 6-9, but with unshakable belief, he turned it around and won 15-13. The second game was all his. Then Liang fought back, showing his power and control, but Hugo didn't break. Even at 3-3, facing pressure and fatigue, he found another gear. At 0-3 in the seventh game, many thought it was over, but Hugo's fight was just beginning. He won the next 4 points, then the rally of the tournament, defending like a wall, countering with precision, and clipping the back edge of the table. That moment stunned the world. At 10-3, it looked done. But table tennis is cruel. Liang saved 6 match points. At 10-9, the tension was unbearable. But Hugo showed something that separates the best: mental strength. He didn't panic, he trusted his game, and he finished the job. This match proves one thing. Hugo Calderano is playing at a world-class level, maybe the best right now. He is not just the hero of Brazil. He is the pride of Latin America, the first Latin American to reach a world championship final in men's singles. He is rewriting history. What we saw today wasn't just skill, it was heart, it was spirit, it was the essence of our sport.
What a reach. Oh! Point of the championships.
Read more about table tennis on my blog, PingSunday.com. Get free ebook and coaching advices. See you in the next video.